my distinguished guests sitting here. You all being here to join us in this celebration is proof enough of your love, encouragement, and support. I am Aradhana Nair, your host for the evening, and it gives me immense pleasure and honor to be part of such a prestigious event. Ladies and gentlemen, let me now seduce you into a love of life, to help you become a little more poetic, to help you come out of the mundane and ordinary, so that the extraordinary explodes in your life. And trust me, this evening is going to be nothing less than extraordinary. Ladies and gentlemen, this event is by Bollywood.OOO in association with, in association with Arca Media and, of course, the magnum opus, the larger-than-life, the very spectacular Bahubali 2, The Conclusion. Bollywood.OOO is a portal that has a collection of outfits that are worn by actors in a lot of new-age upcoming movies. For example, Tamasha, Pyar Ka Panchnama, Cocktail, etc. This means that you can simply pause at an outfit you want to buy by pausing the movie clip and hitting the buy button. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you the very, very young entrepreneur.
And thank you so much for being here. I know some of you have traveled a huge distance to be here, but I hope the forest setting helps and makes it a little worthwhile. Bollywood's journey has been about a year today, and we had a vision to translate the movie watching experience into tangible products. Let me show you what I mean by that. With the biggest of the production houses and sold all the apparels, accessories, and locations to over 1,800 customers and helped fulfill their aspirations. Today, we hope to cross another bridge and add a brand new dimension to the company with Bahubali 2, and that is to translate a fantasy into wearable fashion through 6 unique and absolutely brilliant designers. I'd like to share one dialogue from one of my favorite movies, which I believe is quite apt for this setting. Hum honge, lights hogi, एक huge audience होगी और होगा music, जिसके हर beat में, हर note में जिंदगी होगी. Bollywood to me is my zindagi, and it's a dream that I see fulfilling today. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy the show.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kalani. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if there is one movie that has changed cinema viewing, it has to be Bahubali, which literally means one with a strong arm. From the growth of the movie to its storyline, this movie has broken all possible records possible. From magnum opus sets to some soulful music, to revenge, to drama, all things entertaining. This movie has it all. Ladies and gentlemen, let's now take a look at the promo of this very larger-than-life movie, Bahubali 2, The Conclusion. This is another factor that leveled up the character's look. For the very stunning Prashanthi. I want to really, and I don't think only me, I think everyone wants to know, how do you feel looking at your creations on the big screen? Like nostalgia?
My hands are now shivering, so feels awesome. Very grateful for this opportunity, and it feels so great that so many people are getting inspired by Bahubali costumes and making a line on their own. Can't wait to see the collection. Have a nice evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Prashanthi. Wow. Now, ladies and gentlemen, now that we've seen and heard what Prashanthi has done with the garments, now let us see what Bollywood.OOO has come up in association with 6 supremely talented designers and how they have created the Bahubali outfits which can be worn by you and me. Honestly, I truly can't wait to see the magic unfold on the runway. So let's not waste any further time and introduce to you our first designer for the evening. Let's now basically start by transporting you back to the epic times and get you into the skin, as it were, with designer wear by the very, very talented Anupama Dayal. She is known to create style that bring together nature, history, and modernism. The legendary Australian fashion retailer Belinda Sepper has been quoted as saying, "With Anupama, you get the soul of India." She's also the winner of numerous awards. She was voted as outstanding by LUS and Style.com. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's kickstart this evening with a stunning display of sophisticated flamboyance by the very beautiful Anupama Dayal. Thank you. A little jealous. I really wish I had some part to play in this movie. It was amazing music, guys. I think you should give a big round of applause for Anupama Dayal. And I was very lucky enough to be wearing one of her creations, and I absolutely love it. I actually match with the green carpet. Anyway, moving on. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to our next showcase by the very talented designer, who is a regular at Lakme Fashion Week and has also been trained at the prestigious Domus Academy at Milan and NIFT Bangalore. I'm talking about none other than Silex. Silex has carved, or should I say, designed a niche for himself in the fashion world. He works as an independent apparel and fashion professional. His forte is handcrafted luxury clothing. I honestly can't wait to see his collection, and I'm sure you all also are waiting with bated breaths. So, presenting Silex. Big round of applause for him, please. Inspired by the breathtaking locations and the lush scenery, she lifts the same into a rustic, nature-friendly collection, echoing the mood of the movie. The silhouettes are relaxed and easy to wear, and the collection is versatile and also travel-friendly. I'm talking about none other than the very, very talented Mrinalini. But before that, let me also take your time in introducing for you to be prepared for a form of act that is high in energy and is supremely gaining popularity all over the world these days. It is also called the mother of all martial arts. The Kalari Payat is also a rhythmic dance, if profound with attention. The Kalari combines a wide range of combat techniques. Originated in Kerala, Kalari Payat is a blend of yoga, meditation, and relaxation. So, ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself for a power-packed performance. I'm now going to ask you all, how are you finding this evening? I have this very lovely lady in front of me. Ma'am, how is the evening going for you?
Mesmerizing.
Mesmerizing. She just said one adjective and it actually encapsulates everything. What about you, sir?
Fabulous.
Fabulous. Why is no one? Oh, I have a friend of mine sitting here, so I'm just going to ask her. So, Kanika, please tell me, what did you think about this amazing fashion show? She's a fashion blogger, so I think you'll have a lot of inputs to give us. Yeah, go ahead.
I just think you're doing an amazing job.
Thank you. Come on, tell me something. What did you feel about the Kalari Payat? I'm sure you all work out, but I want to know, like, were you inspired to join this form of act?
I got a little petrified looking at that, but they did an amazing job too. So, but really creative. I'm loving the collection, so looking forward to the rest of the show.
I want to know, is there anybody who has actually decided to go and shop on Bollywood? La la. Yeah. Hey, the mic doesn't want me to talk. Is there anybody who has decided to shop from Bollywood.oo? Oh, wow. Any particular silhouette that you liked? Any particular outfit? All of it. Wow. That's fabulous. Even I'm very tempted. I liked a nice slit gown that I saw. So yeah, I'm also pretty excited to go and log on to Bollywood.oo. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me again not waste more time in introducing to you our next designer. He has a unisex brand for garments and accessories for couture and breadth. Launched at Lakme Fashion Week, the brand got instant recognition for its distinct style, accessories, and various kinds of jewelry. Their style is bold, chic, and absolutely glamorous. Avant-garde sensibilities, contemporary balance, eye-catching design, and experimental are just one of the few adjectives that can be used to describe this brand. Presenting before you the very, very talented Saurabh Kant Srivastava. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your huge round of applause for him.
How was it being on the ramp today?
I'm hello everyone. Very excited. I'm coming back with Bahubali Part 2, जो मेरे लिए बहुत ही एक 2 साल पहले जब Part 1 रिलीज़ हुई थी, मैंने कभी भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि 2 साल के बाद ये फिल्म आज फिर से रिलीज़ होगी एंड आज 7 अप्रैल को री रिलीज़ हुई है ये फिल्म. So it's one of its kind and it's definitely something that will be the most memorable film out in my career. And आज है एक इवेंट जहाँ पर रेडी टू वेयर कलेक्शन बनाया गया है inspired from Bahubali Part 2 and Bollywood.oo. They have arranged this entire event and it's a website, so it's a ready to wear collection. Like what I'm wearing today, there's been an entire showcase. And yeah, whoever wants to shop their Bahubali attire can do that, and then they can watch the film in that.
Okay, तमन्ना जी, अगर मैं रैंप वॉक की बात करूं, रैंप वॉक की
अच्छा sorry बहुत I think before Bahubali came out, I had a different image, and I think Bahubali made people believe that I can act. I'm very thankful to Rajamouli sir because उन्होंने मुझ में उन्होंने जो विश्वास दिखाया from the action sequences to the very the very feminine side of a woman, the way he captured that, it's made me actually a more courageous person. In fact, जब मैं आज stunts attempt करती हूँ तो मैं हमेशा बाहुबली के बारे में सोचती हूँ because after working on that film, the entire process of attempting action became easy for me. So I thank Rajamouli sir for giving me this experience and memories of a lifetime because इस फिल्म पे जिसने भी काम किया है सब दोस्त हैं. राजमौली सर की पूरी फैमिली ने ये फिल्म बनाई है. The producers are Shobhu sir and they are the nicest, always happy, smiling faces people. And it's a dream. Like उनके सेट पे जाते ही ऐसे लगता है कि यार अगर फिल्में शूट होती तो ऐसे ही शूट होनी चाहिए. I missed Bahubali set the moment I left it the first time, and we used to work for 19 and 20 hours and मालूम ही नहीं पड़ता था कि हम लोग इतना काम कर रहे हैं. हम लोग गर्मी में, सर्दी में, -degrees, कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था because we should just enjoy ourselves so much. And yeah, this team is very special.
What was the most memorable part of the movie? Which is one thing that you always take with you?
I think he gave me, a beautiful song like Dhivara. आज भी लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि we love that angelic avatar of yours, which was just such the perfect introduction that any heroine could ask for. And also the strength in the character, the fierce warrior that she is, showing these two facets of a woman so beautifully.
ट्रेलर देखा हमने 100 मिलियन क्रॉस किया
जी
और उससे भी ज़्यादा लोग रिस्पांस दे रहे थे. फिल्म की कितनी उम्मीदें रखती हैं और पार्ट 2 की, क्योंकि हर जगह अच्छा रिस्पांस आ रहा था फिल्म को लेकर?
टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैंने फिल्म में काम किया है पर फिर भी क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना चाहिए मुझे नहीं मालूम, क्योंकि सर हमेशा हमारे एक्सपेक्टेशंस को क्रॉस कर जाते हैं. So I did not know in the first part what will happen. I just only know that the second part is going to have much more story, much more emotion. People are really going to connect with the storyline. If you like the first part, you're going to like the second part way more. And because it's a continuation of the first story. So it's whoever's seen the first part will absolutely understand what's happening.
रैंप वॉक की अगर मैं बात करूं तो रैंप वॉक
Yes. I think Saurabh has a fantastic collection and it's very regal, it's very elegant, it's very feminine, at the same time fierce. So it's kind of representative of what the character is. And I thought all the girls had, they were all sporting braids, which I did in the film. So yeah, I think that's why I felt like I should be wearing.
Cast members we were expecting them to be here tonight.
Yes, I was expecting them to, but I'm sure हम बाहुबली को बहुत प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, सब किधर प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. Everybody is in some place. So yeah, but you will be seeing a lot of Bahubali promotions as we move.
तमन्ना, before you leave, तमन्ना और अक्षय कुमार जिनके साथ में आपने काम भी कर चुके हैं, उन्हें बेस्ट एक्टर का भी अवार्ड मिला. उनका अनाउंसमेंट हुआ, क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि
I don't know which film he's got it for, but I know for Rustam. It's very well deserving. Akshay is always somebody who is a super hard worker. I mean, he's my inspiration. He wakes up so early in the morning and he's at it totally. And I'm very happy for him. Wishing him a huge congratulations for the national award. And everybody else who's won the national award, big congratulations.
एक मिनट तमन्ना, आपको सामने देख के बात कर लें.
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ द वे क्वेश्चन है. विनोद खन्ना जी is like being hospitalized. Any wishes and prayers for him?
Yeah, I mean, I know, I saw the images on social media, and I wish him speedy recovery. I wish Vinod Khanna ji a speedy recovery, and he's still as handsome and glorious as he always was.
Any chance to meet him? कभी आप मिले हैं उनसे?
कभी नहीं मिली, फिल्में ही देखी है, फैन के जैसे फिल्में देखी है. Sorry?
Thank you, please.
I'll send more comments later.
तमन्ना जी, रैंप वॉक की अगर मैं बात करूँ, रैंप वॉक की बात होती है, हमने देखा बहुत ही एक्साइटेड थी आप. कितने अंदर से एक्साइटेड होती है, नर्वस होती है किसी?
Yeah, I think walking is the most difficult thing on a ramp. I think that I don't know why it gets so intimidating, but it does. So I have great respect for the models because वो हर दिन ये करते हैं. So I think it's amazing what they do. Hard job.
Thank you guys.